Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So for today, we have another Ms. and Miss subscription box to unbox. I am so excited about this. The past two unboxings I've done have been outstanding, out of this world incredible. Be sure to go and check those out. I will have them linked down below. And if you're super excited to get into this box like I am, and just keep on watching.
They gave you my card.
Okay, really quickly, let's just recap again about this box. So there will be coupon codes right here, and they will be PR 10% off. For 10% off your box. It'd be PR 10 off. So it should be right there. And then that is for the monthly subscription or the 3-month prepaid subscription. Or you can get 20% off if you enter the code PR20 off. And that is for the 6-month subscription and the 12-month subscription. The monthly subscription is $24.99. And then the 3-month prepaid is $65.97. And then there's the 6-month subscription, which is $19.99, and the 12-month subscription is $17.99. This company was created April of 2020, and it was a mom and her 14-year-old daughter who started this company. I think that is completely outstanding, and I love that so very much. Let's jump into this box. I have the boxes for July. The first unboxing I did of the girl toolbox had 17 items in it, and then I did a box from home. That box had 24 items in it. So let's pop into this box and see how many items we get in here. This is the PMS pampering box. Enjoy your time of the month. So let's see what could be in here that could actually make us enjoy that. So we have our card with everything listed in the box right there. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. Let's pop in. So first let's get our squigglies out of here. Squiggle, squiggle. These boxes are nicely packed. Okay. So the first thing that I'm seeing right here is bath soaks, body relaxing rose scented. Oh yeah, that's nice. Whoa, that's nice. That smells very good. Very nice relaxing bath coming up in my future. And then we have Papaya and Coconut Cream by Bolero. I haven't heard of this company. It's a hair mask. Thank goodness, because you guys, this hair is long, okay? And it needs some attention. So this is 2 times concentrated, free of parabens and dyes. Yes. Oh, and there's a safety seal. Papaya and coconut cream. There's a little bit on the outside. Must have leaked a little bit. Not bad, not bad. Okie dokie. Moving on to the next thing I'm seeing here is by April Bath Shower, and this is an eye mask. Cheetah print. I love cheetah print. It's so pretty. So that's nice. We can sit in our bath. And then I think this is where, yep, those dang mailmen. Okay, so here are some bath bombs in here. One of them got broken. I'm sure that happened during transit. Wow, that smells delicious. Is that blueberries? Okay, let's set that down right there. It can make a mess on my desk all it wants to. It's not a problem. So here's some little bath bombs. I think these might be homemade because it looks like it's wrapped up in saran wrap. it just smells absolutely. That might be grape. That's grape. That's definitely grape. It's a purple bath bomb and it's grape scented. Ah, love it. Oh, I'm taking a bath tonight. Or I might save these for the time of the month that it's intended for. So, oh, what is this? Oh, yes. Oh, I think they handmade this too. It's vanilla brown sugar, and I believe this is a body scrub. What does it say? Or is it a lip scrub? I don't know. I don't want to look at the list. I want to be surprised. Oh my God. Vanilla, brown sugar, vanilla and brown sugar. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want to eat it. Oh yeah. Sugar. Yummy. Oh, I can't wait for that. Cannot wait for that. Okay. Next up, we have a Yankee Candle. Yay, I love Yankee candles. This is in the scent Camellia Blossom Garden Hideaway. Oh. That smells like such a... I don't even know how to explain it. It makes me feel like I'm in a hotel at a very, like, expensive hotel somewhere in the tropics. Wow, I love that. And I love Yankee candles, so yay! That's nice. Smells absolutely amazing. Okay, and then we have this Yankee Candle, but this is... Oh, a car jar. Lasts up to 30 days. I'm going to go put this in my car right now. Summer Daydream. Let's take it out of the package so you guys can see it better. So this is what it looks like. Oh, yum. Summer Daydream. That smells like freshly cleaned laundry. Ooh, I'm going to put that in my car right after we're done here because that smells delicious. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's still more items. This is crazy. I've never seen subscription boxes with this many products in them before. Never. Okay. Then we have, ooh, that looks delicious. Scolata roll hazelnut. I freaking love hazelnut. So some chocolate for your time, because chocolate is always good. Okay, and then next up, of course, if you're gonna relax, you are going to need a sheet mask. And this is a tomato sheet mask. Yes, tomatoes are so good for your face. Fresh food for skin, facial sheet mask, revitalizing tomato. Tomatoes characterized by their red and appetizing flesh. Oh, I've never heard a tomato described quite like that before. Are annual plant native to Latin America. While tomatoes are common vegetables we see in our everyday life, they contain a wide range of nutrients that give the loose skin a fresh and youthful look. Yee. And this product is not tested on animals, and it's made in Korea. Yay! Can't wait to try that out. Oh, another one of those chocolate rolls. This is a coconut one. That one will probably go to Zach because I'm not a big fan of coconut. Okay, and I would honestly say that it's not this company's fault in any way, shape, or form that bath bomb came broken, because it literally looks like it had to have been smashed open. Like this box was dropped along the way somewhere, because they packed this one extra good. Like my other boxes didn't have as much squigglies as this one does. And it's because they were trying to protect the bath bombs in here. So I don't think it was the company's fault that bath bomb came broken. So this is Mayulini Myulini Natural Green Hand Cream in the scent Gardenia. I almost said flavor. Oh, it's all in Japanese, Chinese. It says made in China. I want to smell it. Safety seal. I haven't heard Abadabs sing the Safety Seal song in quite some time. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells like a really expensive salon. I like that. Yay. Lotion. I like it. Okay, we got 2 more things in here. So right here we have a body Bodycology coconut hibiscus bubble bath bar. Ooh, I've never tried this. Crumble under running water for fun fragrance bubbles. Okay. Sprinkle a little magic into your bath with a Bodycology bubble bath bar. Each bar delivers luxurious fragrance bubbles and a little added fun. I can't smell it. I want to smell it. That smells really good. Another tropical, like, I'm going to be going on a little trip to Hawaii in my bathtub soon. That'll be so nice. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this cute little satchel right here, which can be reused. Oh, how cute. It's a little like shovel spoon looking thing. Ooh, and this is the lip scrub. Oh, that smells delicious. Wow. That is wonderful. Alrighty, you guys. So what did you guys think about this box? Let's count really quick. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12 things in this box. I'd probably have to say that my all-time favorite thing is the bath bombs. They smell just like grapes. I want to eat them. Okay, I know I can't. That's why I'm going to go eat this right now. But I'm just saying, they smell so good, I want to eat them. So that is all I got in my PMS pampering box this month. Please let me know down below what you guys thought about it. I love you guys so very much. And until next time, bye.